Okay, I got it.
Night Before the Blizzard.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay. Night Before the Blizzard. Okay? Everyone
Night
got that.
Before the Blizzard.
Everyone have
I'm going
Night.
to forget.
I'm not. Where am I? What's going on? Oh god, get it off my screen. I don't want to see
You know what?
Okay. Ooh, am I glad I didn't stop the video there. Run in! I'm not gonna make it! 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 I made it! Okay, I actually gotta start my video now. I'm gonna start my video right now before I forget. Hello everybody and welcome to Night Before the Blizzard. So we've sort of... it definitely looks like it was maybe the same guy.
I don't believe we've played this.
But no, we have not played this one before.
I'm not watching this.
I don't know what to expect. And so the last one we had to not find. There was a monster at our windows and we had to board them up and the lights and again
you
if you
think this is the same guy?
Yeah. The same creator guy.
Oh.
Definitely looks like it, seeing of how whenever I enter the house it forces me into first person again.
How lovely. Well, I didn't get to record the other video, so I suppose the retro model vibe we have going on will be my version.
Last time, that game was horrifying. It really shook our paranoia because the monster just goes from window to window. We had to turn on a light. It was fun. I'm pretty sure this one we just have to survive a blizzard. I don't think there should be any big bad and scary giant monster trying to rip out our spleen.
No, it would
But I
be
don't know.
far more entertaining if there was.
I don't know why, but whenever I heard Night Before the Blizzard, I was thinking of the Grinch, but I realized that's more of a Nightmare Before Christmas thing. Like I was, but also yeah, there was a giant red demon monster on the cover. We can actually close this door. Oh, what do you got to say?
It feels like this game also. This is the same thing as last time. Who cares? You gotta survive a blizzard and not be schizophrenic. Apparently, you see the wardrobe is closed. It's totally safe to walk past. But if it's slightly opened, there's a monster inside. Close the wardrobe before walking in front of it, or else it might grab you. Winterhorn. The monster will come from the woods searching for people. Use a computer to find him in the cameras and flash the camera he is in. Do not get caught. Mechanics, expect to find up some items, some wood in the wood storage. The later use. I already used one. Oopsie, my bad. And the generators.
Oh, Winterhood. He's the guy I seen on the cover of the game. Cool. There's a lot of things.
This game also is going to be messing with our paranoia, so that sounds like it'll be quite lovely.
More suffering. I mean, to be fair, a lot of people did like our suffering to the last one. Also, this generator has a health bar now. It's not counting down.
No, that is
Where do we grab wood?
down.
Oh,
It's
where
just,
do we
this
grab
is more of a
wood?
retro vibe, so that is pretty much.
Logan, I said, where do I get wood? I turned around and there's just an entire thing of wood.
Yes, that's because you're limited in visibility.
I'm just going for the window. Nope, we have glass apparently. Who even has?
God. Who has glass in their house?
Yeah.
I could never imagine.
Cool. I'm glad I can only hold the.
We can actually turn on the lights in this one.
Oh my god.
I will say that other game has been the first time in probably ever I've actually been, I'd say, scared in a game.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, I have no recording of it, so.
We really got to go back to that. If you want to see us come back to it, leave a comment. We might anyway. It was very fun. I will say, not for him. He was horrified. I was horrified as well. But it was fun. It's made me. It was a Roblox game that was horrifying to me, and that's a very rare thing because most of the things that can even make you even slightly. Oh, Cool. Good to know. Whenever it hits 12, he goes to the fucking shadow realm. Lovely.
Pretty accurate to how nighttime feels. Though
Wood
it's a lot
storage.
brighter.
We can storage. We have. I swear I had a flashlight at one point. Like I remember picking up a flashlight.
Someone's knocking on the closet. I better close the closet. Not that one. Oh, it's the
How many
bedroom
damn
one.
closets?
Lovely. This is going to be a
Seriously, we got
wonderful
1,
time.
2, 3. It's not like I said, like good places either. We just have closets around. Also, are there cameras? Where are the
There
cameras? I don't
are.
know to be.
Well, you're supposed to use it for him, so. And flash him
Oh,
when he's on the cameras.
wait, what? I know. I got it. I got
Oh,
it. I
that's
got it.
not a lovely sound.
Logan, you gotta watch the cameras. I can't do it. Wait, maybe I can.
Hmm.
Oh, I can. I can.
I
I can.
will say, this feels a lot more like a Christmas vibe.
Yeah, I mean it
Perhaps not
is.
appropriate time. Oh,
Uh,
there's a camera inside our house.
yeah, there's like 6. I know 'cause I'm looking for. I'm seeing nothing
Well, if
so
you're looking
far.
through them, then I don't care to. They make gurgling sounds.
Overheat. I'm sorry. Overheat. What's over?
The computer will overheat if you use it too much.
Huh! And we're closing that door, and we're never sticking our head out ever again.
Hmm.
Oh, I'm freezing. I gotta go out. I gotta go get the
Yeah.
fire. Where is he? Where is he? Where
I
is
could
he?
almost swear that that is a FNAF jump scare.
Oh, I'm gonna freeze. Oh, he got
No,
me. He
you're
was.
gonna walk in front of the closet and get slammed into the ground.
Yeah. Hey, let me out. Hey, let me out. We gotta move. Oh, I'm dead. Blah.
Uh, well, this is
Cool. Got
exactly how.
cursed.
Richard, we can't replay. Well, this is exactly how the last game went. Ugh. So we will die a few times. I feel like we've already understand the hang of it though.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I mean, I went back to lobby and have to play. I want to do like one more round and then it's gonna be a short video. Oh, who are you? Also, can I please get this thing off my screen? There we go. This hurts. Hey,
I
you.
should have pressed that.
Oh, yeah, what happened? Oh, I was skiing when suddenly something attacked me. I thought it was a bear, but it wasn't. Can't tell what it was. Not sure if the bears don't have horns and glowing eyes. I was passed out. How did he not die? Well, I mean, I can see
I'm
how
red
he
now.
didn't. Oh, cool. I also see how he didn't die. I mean, I was also tackled, but you know, I jumped out of a closet.
Yeah,
Anyway,
because you have to be paranoid of the closet. However, due to the fact that you were unable to stun him, he burst through the door and gripped out my spine.
yeah, the second I got off the computer too. That's this might be thumbnail just by pure coincidence. I was just standing there staring at my camera for a really long time. Oh yeah, while we're watching this, you should go into the description and check out the Discord server because I'm trying to promote it. It's a little dead, but that's why we need you to join. That's why you to join it. Okay. And yeah, just go check it out. Also check out his channel. He'll be in the link description below as well.
As well his.
I don't know why, but I'm so used to you not recording. That genuinely took. Wait, no, we need fire. I need to put. I'm gonna put wood into the log. I swear there was a wood thing right here. Oh, we gotta watch the TV first, and then it up here. I want to see it. They just spawn in. Yeah. What? I don't know what else is. I think. Skip. Skippity skip.
Yeah, sure.
Click, click, click. We got it.
Where do we find wood?
Wood is apparently supposed to spawn like right here. I think.
Right, where is right here?
The drive-through. The drive-through. But I don't.
Perhaps it is random.
Oh, I found it. It's inside. It's on the other. Now there's like storage logs we can put. I mean, I'm gonna
That's
put
a
one.
lot of wood.
Oh, I got my left and right confused. That's why I thought it was the driver. Okay. Lovely. Skip time? No.
I hate using left and right. I much prefer having a compass on hand. Then you know the proper directions.
Yeah. God, why is it? The sun is. Okay. Looks more like a moon. It's like, I don't know, super duper really bright. I know this is quite boring for the poor viewer, but like I have no way to skip this, and also we kind of need it.
We do have a way to skip it, and there's nothing else we can do. So why don't we go ahead and do that?
Listen, let me go grab one more log, put it into the storage, and then we'll be safe enough to. Cause listen, if Batman has taught me one thing, it's to never underestimate prep time. Also, I really feel like, seeing how I'm holding this with one hand, I really feel like I can grab more than one log at a time.
Well, it is, you know. I don't have anything else to say there. I don't have an excuse to use.
Lovely. Alright. 12 a.m. I didn't grab a
Of course, this game also has a camera, or not camera, flashlight battery. I love when games implement that.
I can't tell if I have a flashlight. Could do a flashlight. I do.
It's already getting low. It's because I activated the fire too soon. Which closet?
Oh, I see him.
One.
Oh, ow, ow. I was trying to open it and close it. I didn't know what to do.
You're not meant to open it and close it. You're supposed to close it.
Oh, well, I couldn't get close enough to close it. I gotta get really close.
Yeah, you stand on the sides.
No, I don't want to use that just yet. Well, I don't know when to use it. I don't know when he's gonna come. Probably now, since I just heard that sound. Where is he?
That's what that is. First.
I don't see him. He's not appearing on any cameras. We are freezing. I put log.
Can't seem to turn off the TV. Oh, now I can. I should really be more mindful of my surroundings.
What was that? Oh my god! Can you just show up on a camera already? I'm the one experiencing all the paranoia, because I know if I don't get him with this goddamn camera, he's going to rash and thrash, and we're going to die.
You know, I'll just do the wood. Oh no, we can survive a little bit of cold.
I'm not trying to watch you with the camera. I didn't know that you're safe.
Oh, well, there he is. He appears to be going around the back.
Where is he?
Oh, and he's coming inside.
Hi,
buddy.
I hit flash. I hit flash. Did it do something?
No.
Oh, I hit the flash though. I hit the flash. Um,
It appears he's ripped off my right arm.
I hit the flash. I clicked the button. Oh my god, is it like the flashlight? Is it the same button as the flashlight? I'm going to die.
Likely. I have
Oh my
zero
god,
faith in you. And
same
that should
closet.
show why. Yeah,
Oh my god.
like back to back.
The entire time I've just been getting jumped by closets. Well, this has been 15 minutes. We can end it here if you want, Logan.
Yes.
Okay. Well, everybody, if you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, check out the Discord and his channel, and thank you for watching. If you want us to play again, leave a comment, and that's all.
Yes, everybody. I hope to catch you on the